In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite members in Framer. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can quickly bring teammates or collaborators into your Framer workspace. Let's start from the very beginning. First, open Framer and go to your main dashboard. This is the screen where you see your projects or recent work. If you've just logged in, you'll usually land here automatically. If not, you can get to it by selecting your team or workspace and then heading to the project's overview. Think of the dashboard as your home base in Framer and also the place where you manage who has access to your team. Once you're on the dashboard, look towards the upper right corner of the screen. Here, you should see an option labeled something like Invite Member. This is your entry point for bringing new people into your Framer team. Go ahead and click that. When you do, a panel or pop-up will appear with different ways to send invitations. Framer gives you two main methods to invite people. The first method is inviting via link. In this view, Framer will generate a unique invite link for your team. You can copy this link and share it with anyone you'd like to join, typically through your team chat, a direct message, or an internal email. This method is especially handy when you're inviting several people at once, or when you're working with a distributed team and want a quick, shareable way to grant access. Just remember to treat this link carefully. Only share it with people you actually want to add to your workspace, because anyone with the link may be able to join, depending on your team's settings. The second method is inviting via email. In the same invite panel, switch over to the email option if it's not already selected. Here, you can type in the email addresses of the people you want to invite. This approach is great when you want a bit more control over exactly who gets in, or when you prefer formal individual invitations. You can add one or several email addresses, then send the invites directly from Framer. The recipient